to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm trying to recreate something that I saw in the Wayfair website. And yes, this is my entry for the Look for Less challenge hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and her co-host for this month, Hayley from The Farmer and the Southern Belle. I'll link their channels and the playlist in the description box. Please be sure to see everything after my video. Have fun crafting. Now without further ado, let's get started. For the first DIY, I thought to recreate this wall sign, stay a while. I use this cardboard, it's a flap of a box. Come back tomorrow to see what I did with the box. And I covered it up with this computer paper. And I cut off the excess. I stuck the paper down with sellotape, and then keeping the image as a reference, I used a scale and a sketch pen, a black sketch pen, to draw the lines. The shiplap design. I think this design is trending. Let me know if this is what you follow in your house. Try to write the wordings. And then trying to recreate the same thing, and therefore I just did the leaves. Distress look to the sign. I took this washable marker, scribbled it on a piece of computer paper, and rubbed it all over the piece. This gave me the desired effect. For the second one, I wanted to do this wall decor, sticks wall decor, and the sticks that I used were these reed sticks. I did not have skewers or anything at home, therefore I used them. And I used I did not use a sketch pen. I used the washable marker again to color it. You can also use paint, but this was a quicker job. Took less time to dry. And then for the design, I took a piece of computer paper and used some watercolors and a little bit of metallic acrylic paint to do the design. It wasn't exact, but I tried to match. sticks, but I could find only 8. So this is 3/4 of it. Let me know in the comments down below whether you think it passes the test. And that was it. Hope you liked it. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you.